Hi guys, welcome back to SMA-Trendz. Today we're going to be making the crunchiest snack in the universe. Like seriously, you need headphones to eat this. You're gonna start off with 3 cups of water into a pot. Let it simmer for a while and then you're gonna add 2 teaspoons of chili powder. After you're done that, you're gonna add some salt. Salt per taste. I'm not gonna give you the measurement, because some people like it really spicy or really plain. Make sure to add some sesame seeds for some of that extra flavor. Again, extra flavor Jita. And then you're going to add a bunch of oil. Oh, that's a lot. So you're going to mix and mix and mix. We all know oil and water don't combine, so I don't know how this works, but So once it looks like weird soup, you're going to add 3 cups of rice flour. The same amount of water you added. So mix it around and make sure to switch off that flame because we are not cooking it. We are merely, what are we doing? I don't know. I don't know what it's called in English, but we're doing something. So you're just gonna mix it around in there. Mix, mix, mix. Until it turns into like some sort of weird dough. So mix it around really well and it's gonna become like this really, really crumbly dough. For some reason, it reminds me of churros. Have you tried one? They're really good. So you're gonna add, it's soft dough. Don't add anything unless you want to. Let it cool down. Put a lid over it or something, or just blow the heat away. So you're gonna take some dough out of the pot. Not all of it, just a little. You're gonna take some out and you're gonna mix it together. Squish, squish, squash. No, not squash, ew. But squish, squish, squish. Just mix it around really well. Add a few drops of oil if it gets too sticky, because we gotta protect our hands, you know? Yeah, protection. So you're just gonna mix it around until not one bit sticks and it becomes like this weird dough cube. Now you're gonna take a bunch of it. Not a bunch, just a small, pinchy pinch of the dough. And you're going to roll it into a long rope or something like that. Of course, please don't try and actually tie it to something because it will break in a second. So just eat it, okay? So after you rolled it out, you're going to swirl it. Swirl it very well, our creation. Make sure to very lightly press the edges because you don't want it to fall apart in the oil. After you made a dozen of these, you're going to take them and fry them. Be careful with the oil. You do not want to know what happens when it gets on you. Like, you really don't. So please be careful. Or wear some gloves or something. I don't know if that helps, but hey, if it does, try. So you're gonna just let it fry in the oil. And then after it turns golden brown, you're gonna take it out. Look at that crispiness. Makes me want to eat it now. And look at all that beautiful food. Super crunchy, super tasty snack. And hey, it's summer. So get a really good movie or a really good book and these things and enjoy your leisure time. Okay, I'm telling you, enjoy. So like, share, comment, and subscribe. And please make sure to try these snacks because they are the best. Bye.